How to add products to your store in Wix Studio. In order to do that, you need to head over and install the Wix store. Head over to the apps and go to your app market. Now, from in there, what you can do is you can just head over and search for online store. Let's search it here for that, and in there you should be able to see the Wix Store application. Proceed to actually install that app. It should be able to show right here. It's free to install. So just click on it and then click onto the install button that will actually input right here. Once you have installed the Wix store, it will show up your catalog, and we now have in here these products. So you can add products to sell. You can find products to sell from Printful as well as dropshipping products. You can just choose those products that you want to add. Like for example, let's add this ones and click onto this add products option and click on this add products in here again. Now it will add these products to your store and it will appear right here under the products option. So just wait for this right here. You can also just install a dropshipping option like Modellist if you want to as well. Now, if you just want to add your own product, you can head over right here to your catalog and enter your products. Just click on this new product option right here and choose physical product or digital file. And then from in there, you should be able to head over and then input right here the details of your product like name, images, descriptions, and the likes. Enter in here the product title. So for example, let's put in here bracelet. Then input right here the image, the product info, your pricing, costing, inventory, and a lot more. From there, click on Save in order to save your progress. So that's how you add products to your store in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.